Welcome all the people who are watching my video. Now I am ready for you with a motivational story. Unity is strength. There lived a poor farmer in a village, and he had four sons. His four sons, once he fell down, and he called all his sons before him. And there was also a bundle of stick, and he said, all his sons, come one by one and try to lift it. The sons do as their father said. Come once by one, and no one can lift it, can pick it. Now he again called all his four sons together and said to lift together. Now they have lifted it very easily. So he said that by the bundle of sticks, I want to tell you a lesson that after my death, if you will live together, then no one can touch you, then no one can harm you, and you can face any problems easily. So the moral of the story is that unity is strength. If you live together, work together, then you work to get success in that work easily. So we should live it together. And there is also another story about the pigeons. There lived a pigeons in a jungle, and they all searched for the food. And once they were going in search of the food, and they saw that the rice was scattered on the field, and they get down on the field to eat the rice. When they started eating rice, they were trapped in a net, which was scattered, thrown by the hunter before. Now they were very sad and saying that how can we save our lives, now we were cast by the hunter. But the oldest pigeon in their group said that don't lose your patience and listen to me. Let me thought a plan to give up to save from here. And after some time he thought a plan, and he shared all the pigeons. Then if we will fly together, then we can save our lives. All the pigeons do as the oldest pigeon said. So they flew together and along with the net, and they fly in the air, in the sky, and so they save their lives. Now unity is strength, and united we win, divided we will lose. The moral of the story is that we should live together. Thank you so much.